If your garage door opener limit switch is acting up, it's usually messing with how far your door opens or closes, and that can be super frustrating. So here's the deal with adjusting those limit switches. First, find the little screws or dials on your garage door opener unit. Those control how far the door moves. You want to turn them slowly, like a tiny bit at a time, and then test the door to see if it stops where it's supposed to. If your door keeps going too far or not closing all the way, tweak the close limit switch a bit until it hits the right spot. Same goes for the open side if your door doesn't open fully or stops too soon. Make sure the door runs smoothly without any jerky movements while you're adjusting, otherwise it might damage the motor or the door itself. Also, keep your eyes and ears open for any strange noises, or if the door reverses unexpectedly, that's a clue your limits are off. Don't forget to unplug the opener before you do any serious fiddling for safety, and give yourself some patience because it can take a few tries to nail it just right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door opener limit switch problems is rushing the adjustments without testing properly, which just leads to the door being stuck halfway or slamming shut. To fix this, always do small turns and test after each one. Another common issue is ignoring worn-out parts like cables or rollers that can throw off the whole system. Make sure everything's in good shape before blaming the switches. Lastly, some folks forget safety and don't unplug the opener before messing with it, which is super risky. Always cut the power first to avoid accidents. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who need to find reliable local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. Contractors love it too because it connects them with real clients looking for their specific skills, so everyone wins.